Hey, what's going on everyone? So I just thought I'd record this quick video because I've just come across this error on Systeme IO, the CAA error, and I came to YouTube and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I thought, well, this error happens all the time, so I'm going to record a quick video just to show you guys what to do. So I'm on Systeme IO and I integrated, this is the domain I'm integrating into one of my Systeme IO accounts. And what actually happened is when I added the CNAME records, when I added all these, it came back as it wouldn't integrate because of CAA errors, which happens a lot of times. So I just thought, well, I'm actually integrating into Hostinger, but it's the same with all DNS zone editors. So I'll just show quickly what to do. So what you want to do is you come here and you want to come down and you come to CAA. And this is what you actually have to add from Systeme IO. Look, these 10 here. And you've got issue and then Amazon.com. So the issue part, if you actually look, is actually here for the tag. And you select issue, flag, just type in 0. And then here is your CA domain. And you go back to here and you grab this in your quotes. Like this, Control C. Go back to thing, type in your thing. Now I've already added mine here. Look, can you see? I've added mine all there, and then you just add the record, and then you just do all 10, and then you go back to Systeme IO, re-add these again, and then wait for your domain to pending validation. But like I say, if you want to check it out yourself, you just go to dnschecker.org after about an hour, and then check if it's integrating all right. Failing that, just go and speak to Systeme IO help and support. But I hope that's been helpful for you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.